Hey, what is good, my friend? It's Malcolmson here, and this video is about your origin story. And why we want to sort of start off with an origin story is we want to take the people who are listening or reading our origin story on the same journey through the same emotions as we had from when we started off, when we didn't know about our opportunity or our product, to the point where we are now, and we want to take our people on that journey. So this is a key part of writing stories, and any good marketer and every good marketer has a bag full of stories, so they can go and pull this story from here. They think this one might work, or they know that this one will work best, and stuff like that there. So this is a big key part, and the main starting point is your origin story on how you went from not having a clue about where you are now to that kind of journey, and I will walk you through it here in this video. So this is from the book that is in the link below, and this is called The Hero of Two Journeys, and you're pretty much going to want to start off talking about the attractive character, and you want to build rapport in the first 10% of your origin story. So you're going to build rapport either through being victim in jeopardy, likable, funny, or powerful. And this character, which is you, the character is going to go on this two journeys. There's going to be the journey of achievement, and then there's going to be the journey of transformation. So you're going to want to establish rapport at the start, and then you're going to want to talk about your desire. What was the desire that you were going towards? And you're either going to go to win something, to retrieve something, to escape from something, or to stop something. And you want to talk about internal and external desires. Then when you're talking about your internal and external desires, you're going to talk about what was the wall you're in, where was that situation that you were in, that the people that you're talking to were potentially in as well. Then when you talk about that there, you're going to talk about what was the epiphany you had that was like, that was going to get you your desires. And then you're going to talk about the plan on how you're going to get there. And along the journey, you're going to come into conflict, and conflict creates emotion. And there's 5 points of conflict, and I'll just talk you through them here in this video. So there'll be opportunity, then there'll be the change of plans, then there'll be the point of no return, and then there'll be the major setback, and then there'll be 5, which is the climax. And at the end of this journey of conflict, and you're going to get to the end, and it doesn't really matter if you achieved what you set out to achieve, but the most important thing is the journey of transformation, which is going from where you used to be to your new beliefs. So transitioning from your old beliefs to your new beliefs. And here is the slide I showed you in the other video, and you're going to want to just kind of follow this here slide and talk about these here, and tick it off as you're going through it. And this is kind of like the diagram it looks like. So this is the hero of two journeys, and how you're going to write your origin story, and this is kind of the structure behind it. So when you're writing these kind of stories, you're going to want to write one of them for your core product, and then each individual product or service in your funnel. So you're going to want to write a story for this here, but just focus on writing the main origin story. I've written 3 now, and I'm going to show you in the next video what we're going to do with the origin story. But the idea is just to publish your first origin story on wherever you select it from the 3 different media types. It was either audio, video or writing. Hope you enjoyed this wee one. I'll catch you later.